Welcome back. It's so interesting to talk to you, Venk. You know, India is becoming a big hub for startups. The other day, there was a statistics which was issued by NASSCOM, the governing agency for IT companies in India. Deep tech is emerging as one of the biggest requirement for the future world. They recognize India can have close to or more than 10,000 deep tech startups by the year 2030. And government is also focusing on that, data-driven objective and multiple other stuff. What I really want to bring to the point of discussion now, I'm in love with MELP.
Thank you. At least someone is in love with MELP.
Yeah?
Starting you.
So, multi-enterprise linking platform. That's MELP.
MELP.
MELP is all about.
MELP can help.
MELP can help, right?
Absolutely.
But if you want any help,
MELP can help.
there's an email which is flashing. You can say, we are here to help @startupsforbreakfast.com. So Venk, I want to know all about MELP. I know MELP can help. How it can help is something which you need to speak about.
MELP can help every industry. Whether it's a small, medium-sized startup, anybody who has more than 3 members team. It's also for individuals, by the way, but we are not. We are focusing at this point from startup, small team, to the medium-sized enterprise. We are not looking for large enterprise at this point of time, because we know what our limitations are, right? Because one, it's self-funded, not trying to raise money at this point of time.
So we call it bootstrapping.
We call it different, but we are already funded by a good investor who's been going on, but I'll come back in the later part. But MELP is for people who wants to collaborate as a platform independent. It should not be binded by one platform.
Okay.
Like there are, 2 giants in the market worldwide.
Bigger ones.
Bigger one, only 2.
22.
Right? The kind of features we kind of similarity we have. And we would say we are on steroids compared to those.
And you didn't want to name them. I understand.
There's no reason for me. They are already known. Even if I name them, at this point of time, we are not there yet.
Not even arrived at. Yeah.
We are not there yet because this is the first time we are launching in India, right? For Indian startups to the medium-sized enterprises. It can go with from 5 people team to 5,000, 10,000 people team. That's for us, it's medium-sized. Anything, that's our target, right? What it can do, yes, it can help you to do more business by opening up more locations, right? You can do virtual, like most of 90% of the companies are doing right in virtual meetings, right? There are remote offices.
Collaborating virtually.
They are co-working spaces. They are all popping up here and there. Why? Because they want to open, they want to grow, right? Every company cannot sign huge
While
leases.
growing, keep the cost also under control.
Exactly. So one is like, the great model is co-working spaces, right? With that co-working, if you give the platform with a collaborative platform, think about what the reach can be. They can reach globally, anywhere. So in order for you to reach globally, that's what MELP does.
So what is it? Multi-enterprise. Just can you explain and elaborate?
Okay, multi-enterprise means right now, it's just for an example, if you have an enterprise, how would you collaborate with your vendors who are providing you services, right? If they have to collaborate with you, they have to have a same system, platform that you can both tightly integrate.
For access information,
sharing files.
Sharing information.
Right. What if you are on one platform and the other enterprise in another platform, then tell me what product is out there, what platform is out there to collaborate, right? It's like a 0 and 1. Either you have this or you have this.
You don't have that, yeah.
Right? For us, we fit in the middle that you can have this,
as well,
and he can have this, but you both can collaborate.
Right. So this is becoming a linking platform. That's
Yes,
where
we are linking 2 enterprises.
That's where MELP.
And we can also link multiple enterprises Think about it as a project. You're doing a project. Let it be a clinical trials. Let's give an example. It's
Clinical trials.
Clinical trials.
Okay.
It's a worldwide, problem. Like, how do I, recruit patients globally to get some trials done, right? Now, if we are both are English speaking, we can do it very well. But what if you have patients who are German speaking or Russian or Spanish speaking, right? Can you make them talk? No.
So you do the real-time conversion.
We do a real-time translation that the doctors can chat in their own language. That means
And the platform can translate that in English.
It's all real time. There is nothing to translate. That we have. It's basically again AI ML model. We have already built in. We have trained our models to learn to translate this real time. So now you're a Spanish doctor. You can type anything in Spanish, and I'm an Indian doctor. I can understand English, and I'll type in English. You'll get in Spanish. The same goes with German, Russian, Spanish, French, Portuguese, right? So our goal is to give a U.S. customers a nearshore capability and offshore capability.
Brilliant.
Right?
Brilliant.
So the language should not be the barrier for them to get the work done.
For the international market.
For the international market. And now think about it, if an Indian customer wants to deal with a customer in Mexico, the guy will say, I can't have a video meeting, right? Both are mom, right? So how would they do it? At least they have this platform that instead of going emails back and forth and using X, translators available online, you have to do cut and paste, right? That's why. Why not sign up here, try it. If you like it, you keep it. You don't like it, throw us out. Right? That's what any entrepreneur, the CEO, or a decision maker is going to do. They're going to try.
Give it a try first.
Give it a try, and then you like it, you keep it. You don't like it, throw them out. Right? So we break there's no language barrier should be there.
For anyone who want to be aspiring to be a global player,
yes,
your platform becomes one of the strongest tool.
Yes.
It helps you to converse with people those who can't converse in English.
In English. Right now we are in Portugal, right?
Interesting.
Dominican Republic, Mexico, Mexico being near shore to us, right, as a US customers. We have Germany starting up from Berlin because there's few German companies, they interact with the US and the Germans have hard time, understanding the US
English.
English, the same with the, Scottish and all this. So that's where our tool helps. The Germans can write in German. And the US guys or Indian guys or anywhere their English-speaking folks are, they can really collaborate.
Academic